Hey guys, welcome back. This is a stunner. This is the Lindale plan by Chesapeake. It is a brand new custom, well, semi-custom. I would say semi-custom. It's got so many things going on inside. $210,000 in upgrades on this guy, sitting on an acre of land in an acreage lot community just off Highway 183, minutes from everything that you need, including a cute little winery. So much going on by an incredible builder, Scott Felder Homes. It is ready to go right now, offered at a recently reduced price of $919,000, so $920,000. It is a 4-bed home. It is a 3 full bath home. And it has a 3-car garage. And again, sits on an acre. It is incredible. This plan is amazing. Now, the Lindale and the Chesapeake plans are both plans that I just absolutely love. I think that they are so accommodating, so inviting, so many things going on, and I just can't wait to see it. There's another similar home that we're going to go over just shortly, well, in another video, but you want to check that one out. That one is going to be the new Chesapeake that's available. I'll put the link for that one here once that one goes live. But look at all the functionality. We have tons of cabinets, tons of storage, guys. I love Liberty Hill. There's only a few communities that are acreage communities, and they're going to become more and more valuable to live in these communities because as the community explodes, which it is, Liberty Hill is exploding. It's where I currently live. I love Liberty Hill. I lived in Austin for 22 years. We decided to move out of Liberty Hill, or out of Austin into Liberty Hill. Schools are family friendly. The community is so nice. It's exploding. It still has that small town feel. We had a meeting with the board of director, or excuse me, the Board of Education, Liberty Hill ISD the other day, and their plan for everything that they're doing is just so encouraging. The sports are outstanding. I think again this year, actually tonight, in fact, we're driving out to Houston to watch the football team in the semifinals for the championship for the state. It's incredible. The soccer team, the volleyball team, the girls just went to state. So many incredible things happening. So, and it's just a wonderful place to be. Now, this is the 3-car garage, so much space in here, but just know like all those things play into property value, and so many wonderful things. Again, acreage. This is a community. It's called, I'll add the community name momentarily, but the community's got about 150 acreage lots in there. And if you want to know the community name and so forth, hit me up. I'd love to get that for you. But this community has about 150 acreage lots, and it's just about done. So now the only thing you can really get in there is a few new homes like this one, but most of them are going to be resale over time. But there's about 3. There's Rio Rancho Ranch, there's this community, and there's North Haven. And really that's pretty much the only acreage communities. And there's Northgate, and there's Clearwater Ranch, but those aren't necessarily acreage. They're up to an acre roughly. They're not all acreage lots. This community is about an acre on all the lots. So is North Haven as well, and so is Rio Rancho. But so many things that you can bank on, and look at the views. We head out into this really awesome back patio. Actually, what's amazing is that Scott Felder is kind of known for their back patios, their outdoor spaces. They do really well. They do the tongue and groove ceiling stained wood in the back patio space, and they do these outdoor kitchens. Now, this is kind of a dumbed down, not dumbed down. It's just, that's definitely not the best description. It is a less developed, they do usually the full 45 if you have the option to do that, as well as the fireplace insert and the fireplace storage. They do all of these things. They can do up to like $60,000, $70,000 back patio spaces. And this one, they didn't do all of that. They did other things in this home. But the full list is just incredible of all the things that they've done in this house. So just so you know, not only does it have 4-bed, 3 baths, it has the luxury mastery suite with a custom built-in shelving in the closet, the oversized patio, which we're looking at, which is absolutely a dream. The kitchen, the stained wood ceiling out here, the outdoor kitchen, the stained wood ceiling. And then we have the 4-panel, 2 sliding glass doors, which is a definite upgrade to give you that full view out into those beautiful Texas sunrises. The living room is a massive area and includes a custom island in the kitchen. The island has just all kinds of storage needs, and really kind of modified it to get the most storage out of it as you can. There's an extended breakfast on the island, which is great. And then there's a large game room, which we'll look at. There's a mother-in-law suite and a walk-in shower in the mother-in-law suite. Man, this location, actually, it is, I think, east facing. And the home site has just, oh my gosh, just great sunrise views. It's just unbelievable. It's also on a cul-de-sac on an acre with a 3-car garage. So, I mean, goodness gracious, guys, unreal. So many things going on. They've got that soaking tub over here. Excuse me, guys. I am under the weather. I'm trying to power through and get these videos out for you guys because they're so nice. But look at the view out that picture window right there. Just stunning. I mean, just so hard to find anything like that in the greater Austin area. But Liberty Hill, I'm telling you, they're still serving up incredible options. And just so you know, that tollway, there's a tollway, Highway 183A, is coming right up through. It's already there, but they're extending the tollway portion of it up through Liberty Hill, and they're probably 50% done. Now, goodness, it's not good. Once that finishes, look at all the custom cabinetry in this owner's closet, by the way. Unbelievable. This is so amazing. People pay unbelievable amounts of money for what is offered and included in this plan. So closets and customization in closets is a multi-million-dollar business, and there's so many options in there. Love this bathroom layout. It's a spa finish, and Scott Felder does everything in white. They just whitewash the home. It's so popular now, and you get to come in here and just kind of customize it any way you like. And look at the flooring selection all the way around. It's that dark LVP. You've got this great hearth on that fireplace there. Just lovely, beautifully done. And here is this bonus living room space over here. You could turn into another sitting room, another entertainment media space. If you homeschool, we've been talking a lot about how the numbers for homeschool has gone off the charts. So if you're a homeschool family, this would be a great opportunity for you, as you have all maybe your family, your children, your animals on this huge lot. And you see the view that goes all the way out. My goodness, it's just beautiful. Now we're going to wrap around 2 fans in the space here, which is really nice to keep that air circulating in this kind of walled-in room, of course. And then you have that mother-in-law suite, which we'll show you. You have your framed glass walk-in. This is going to be off that guest bedroom, just behind me here. And just so you know, where I was going with the tollway. Let me circle back to that, guys. I don't think I finished my statement. Once that finishes, the values on these properties are going to climb. They're going to climb because it's, historically, once transportation and infrastructure is improved in such a way as to increase the flow of traffic through a city, then the desire for that city begins to increase tremendously. And we haven't even had that yet. We are having so much activity and increase on the explosion that's happening with homeownership in Liberty Hill. Guys, we're having about 1,000 kids to our school district every year. It's crazy talk. And we're not even finished with the tollway, the main road that comes through. So once that happens, it's just that the pricing downtown, you can just get so much more for your money out this way. That's not cheap. It's definitely not cheap. But considering, jump on the toll, you're in Austin in 25 minutes. You're in North Austin in less. If you go to the tollway, maybe 15 minutes in North Austin. And you get to live out here for $900,000, roughly $920,000. You get an acre on a cul-de-sac, 4-bed, 3 full bath, 3-car garage, all these finishes with this crazy view. So much going on. So guys, hit me up if you can. This channel exists. I didn't talk too much about this in the beginning, but this channel exists to help people just like you be informed. We want to educate you. We want to just move you through this process, escort you from start to finish, giving you all the information you need to make informed decisions, because this is a crazy expensive decision, especially if you don't have an advocate in the city you're trying to go to. We want to be your advocate. We want to serve you and walk you through the process. We work with over 22 home builders over 13 years to help people just like you win. We have over 200 5-star reviews on our platforms combined, and this is just what we do. We love this. We help people move internally. We help people move from out of state, in state. Listing specialists, buyer specialists, of course. We are experts with new construction. Scott Felder is one of our favorites. They do a great job. We love their homes, and man, they just dominate. So we want to serve you in this process. If you have any questions about Liberty Hill, it is absolutely a dream to live here. We love Liberty Hill. We love this town and Texas. What else is there? right? Texas. So guys, check it out. If you have any more questions, I certainly want to be a resource for you there. So just a little bit more about kind of Scott Felder. Now, Scott Felder, their build times have actually improved significantly, but you don't have to deal with that because now the house is done. But if you wanted to build a house with them, they have actually gone the route of really ramping up just to reduce the full amount of time it takes to build their homes. So if you're interested in Scott Felder and you don't want to do a spec home that's finished, let me know. But just know there is so much value. For example, right now, and I hesitate to say this because it may not be the case when you're ready, but right now they have rates as low as 5.99 fixed for 30 years. And they also have incentives to help you do so much. But of course, that's on top of this particular home being reduced a ton. It was recently at just under 1.1 million. Now it's 919,000. And it has $210,000 of upgrades that they put in these houses. So definitely an incredible home, and you don't want to miss this. So share this video with somebody that you know. Like, comment, subscribe. Become a avid watcher. We love to have people in our community just like you. And we really appreciate you being here. Guys, YouTube is going to make a recommendation in just a moment for more videos that it knows that you will love, because YouTube and technology and AI knows you better than you know you. I guarantee it. That's why I'm like stuck on YouTube at night when I'm like scrolling and swiping, checking out more videos, because it's always serving up stuff that I enjoy. And I need to just put my phone down and go to sleep, right? But definitely check the next video out or two that it's recommending. Guys, thank you for being here. So blessed to have you a part of this tour. Certainly am thankful for all the time you spend with us, and I will look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.